happened?
I don't know. I was going to ask you the same thing. What?
What?
I didn't do it. What the? Darling, you all right?
The skateboard.
Look what you've done! You could have killed your mother! Now go to your room! Now! Are you all right, darling?
No.
Just take it easy.
My
What is it? Your back is in. Try not to move.